Hey, today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of the American Marksman on your phone, no jailbreaks. This works on iOS and Android. It gives you unlimited money. So let's get straight into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So all you have to do is go over to hexmods.com and find the American Marksman, press on it, and then press the download button to begin the mod download. Now bear in mind, you are going to have to do a verification before you can actually download the mod. All you have to do is download like 2 apps, complete the instructions. These are completely for free and they're from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here. As you can see, it says please take a few minutes to complete verification, keeps our server safe from malicious attacks. So you just press on the app, it takes you to the app store. It's usually like download, install, run for 30 seconds or complete level 10 in a game. It's not hard. But anyway, guys, if you like American Marksman, I like it too, and I want unlimited money, and now I got it. So let's go onto the App Store and see how much this game costs, because I'm sure it's not pretty. So I'm going to type in American Marksman, or I gave it a shot. I don't even have it installed, by the way. I just have the mod installed. You don't need the game. So as you can see, very expensive, very bum. Look at that. So yeah, I'm sorry to tell you this, but you don't really need the game installed. You just need the modded version. So if you have progress you want, you are going to have to, maybe you could try keeping the game and then installing the mod, but I don't know if they'll download together or not. It might force you to only have one. So I don't have the normal one installed. I don't need that. I don't want it. It's in-app purchases. But anyway, as you can see, the verification is very easy to complete. And once you complete it, you will be an American Marksman legend with unlimited money. So I will see you guys later. Subscribe to the channel. This fully works on iOS and Android, guys. As you can see, pretty wild. So yeah, I mean, if this video worked to you guys, be sure to go and share. I'll see you guys later. Subscribe to the channel. This is fully working, guys, for iOS and Android, so you have got to try it out right away.